Who would have thought that this right here was in the city? Hey.
You be my blood, you be my blood, you be my blood.
Yo, what's up my Shader Hustles? We're back at it again with another Shader vlog, Shader Adventures, and we are here. Where are we, honey? Yeah, baby, and who would have ever thought, in the city we got this here, right here? This here waterfall, man, it's crazy, man. Here comes the thing. Rolling down, you know. Got a bit of a top view. But yeah, you already know what it is, man. Tasty waterfalls. Finna go get some shots and hey. Okay. Your boy did something really good.
My nose looks like it's going downwards.
What do you mean? Like Squidward?
Yeah. Oh, the Squidward, she took us there. Looks like a Squidward. Show him.
I'll show him. Have a look.
I'm just voice cracking a lot, maybe. That's so man.
Can you see that far now?
I see how dare you took a bad photo of me.
Oh my god. No. It would have been your movement, honey. Anyway, your boy forgot his tripod, so we're just being a little bit of we're just being a little innovative here. You know what I mean? Hey, hey, nothing's gonna stop us. You feel me? These last couple of weeks have been beautiful, eh? Hey, baby.
Yeah, it's awesome.
It's been really beautiful, man. Look at old Jane over here. Look at that wild one in there, you wildin' in there. She's even carved her name in those rocks over there. She's carved her names, you know. But yeah, I hope these last couple of weeks have been beautiful for you all, you know. Just working on yourself, you know what I mean? Always just work on yourself. You ain't working for nobody else but yourself. Don't get caught up in the systematical world, man, because like you end up losing yourself in it, you feel me? Get into these times when you feel like you're getting tested. Well, let me tell you, man, that right there is where what you just manifested in, and you got to knock them straight at your front door, because they say that once you've seen the darkness, all that's left is the light. You feel what I'm saying? Anyway, just a bit of a vibe, eh? My lady over here vlogging you.
Yeah.
But you know the kaupapa. Keep eating a wide away.
Not till you go.
Hey.
Yeah. Run it up straight, yeah, run it up straight, yeah. Run it up straight, yeah, run it up straight, yeah. Run it up straight, yeah, run it up straight, yeah. Run it up straight, yeah.